Strong people aren't special. They're relentless. Strong people feel like quitting, but they don't. Strong people aren't free from challenges. They're strong because of the challenges.
Helen Keller once said, "Character cannot be developed in ease and quiet. Only through the experience of trial and suffering can the soul be strengthened, vision cleared, ambition inspired, and success achieved." Whatever you've been through, trust it was sent for a purpose. Look back and think about how it made you stronger, wiser, or better. Use the pain of your past to create a better future for yourself.
There's a saying, I've never met a strong person with an easy past. Strong people are strong because their past was not easy. But in that pain, in that struggle, came strength. Through the hell came qualities from heaven. They went through the darkness and found the light.
When you're down, understand that this moment will pass. It will. When things seem impossible, know anything is possible if you keep going. When you feel like you have no strength inside, dig a little deeper in your soul and discover what is really inside. Trust that whatever